Good afternoon. Just in the last 30 minutes, we learned the second presidential debate has officially been canceled after President Trump refused to participate in that virtual format. I'm Steve Atkinson in for Kimberly Hunt. President Trump is vowing to get back on the campaign trail, but his health is still in question. ABC's Elizabeth Schulze is in Washington with the crucial details still missing.
A week after he went to the hospital to get treated for COVID-19, President Trump's health is still in question. Trump admitting to radio show host Rush Limbaugh he wasn't in great shape last week, but now insisting he feels perfect and touting the treatment he received.
We're rounding the turn on the pandemic because I'm telling you, we have a cure. More than just a therapeutic, we have a cure.
The White House physician, Dr. Sean Conley, revealing few details about Trump's condition, but saying the president is clear to resume his public schedule as soon as Saturday. Conley has previously made false statements about Trump's treatment. White House aides are still refusing to answer when the president last tested negative for COVID, a crucial detail for contact tracing.
I can't reveal that at this time. The doctors would like to keep it private.
Before Trump contracted the virus, the White House would disclose his COVID test results. The White House itself remains a COVID hotspot. In an interview with CBS News, Dr. Anthony Fauci calling out the administration's refusal to follow health protocols at the Rose Garden event for Judge Amy Coney Barrett.
We had a super spreader event in the White House, and it was in a situation where people were crowded together and were not wearing masks. So the data speak for themselves.
ABC News has confirmed 2 more members of the White House residence tested positive for COVID nearly 3 weeks ago, bringing the number of residential staff who tested positive at that time to at least 4. Meantime, House Democrats unveiling a bill that would create a panel to determine if a president is fit to lead under the 25th Amendment.
This is not about President Trump. He will face the judgment of the voters. But he shows the need for us to create a process for future presidents.
Sources tell ABC News President Trump will host an in-person event tomorrow at the White House. He's expected to discuss law and order, and he will reportedly address the crowd from the White House balcony. Elizabeth Schulze, ABC News, Washington.
And as we mentioned, next week's debate between the president and former Vice President Joe Biden has officially been canceled. Well, now Biden will participate in a town hall in Philadelphia instead. ABC News will host that event on Thursday, October the 15th. It will be moderated by ABC News chief anchor George Stephanopoulos. You can watch it live right here on ABC 10. Our coverage begins at 5.